Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works. It's been a few days, I know. I've been out doing perk tests and home preparing up drawings, so I've been preoccupied. Although I have done something on the boat. I have made this hammer template. I ordered material to build this turn fin from vendors within the United States, thinking they'd ship pretty quick. So the vendor for the bolts, about 20 bolts. He takes 5 days to ship them, and he's on the East Coast, and my guess is this time of year the weather's bad, so shipping slows down. Thanks. And the guy I got the bracket from, I don't know. I think he sent it Pony Express, and the ponies are more like old nags now. So anyway, although I think the aluminum bracket is supposed to show up today, so I'm starting to work on that. Or plan on that. That's why I'm making this template. And when you're working on a fiberglass boat, by definition, the back of these sponsons have to have some relief angle, otherwise it wouldn't come out of the mold. So everything has to kind of get smaller as you get away from the mold line. It can't get suddenly bigger. So if this were flat or sloped back this way, it wouldn't come out of the mold. So just to see how much angle there is, what do you need? You need a danglometer. And so I've made another danglometer here. And how this danglometer works is you put it here on your strut and here on your sponson, and that's your ride. And this little guy here flat on the surface, and that angle right there between this line and this line is how much dangle there is in it. So when I'm cutting the piece of metal that's going to be this, I have to cut it so that this part right here will be parallel to the ride, and so there'll be some angle on this surface where it meets this, and it'll be this angle that I've determined with this danglometer. Anyway, I think my plan is I'm going to take this piece of angle, which is, it's a piece of angle, and I'll chuck it up in the mill such that it's kind of at that angle, and I'll mill a flat there, flip it over, mill a flat there, and that will make me the angle on the face that bolts up against here. So I think that will be my plan. I'll just mill the tops and bottoms level at that angle right there. So I'll just keep this guy here, and when I chuck up the bracket in the mill, I'll just chuck it up at that angle. There you go, boys and girls. Until next time, jet out.